So last but not least, we're going to be comparing facts between sources. When you use Wikipedia, and really when you use any source, you should be comparing your facts with multiple sources just to check and make sure that what you're finding is correct. For this part of the assignment, what we're going to do is we're going to look at each fact and then try to identify if it is present in one of our three sources. So now it's time to use this Wikipedia article, but we're also going to add two more sources to our searches. World Book Online and a website called ThoughtCo. So for this part, what we're going to do is we're going to take each fact and we're going to look in each of these sources to see if it's there or not there. You're going to determine if the fact is present in each article. If the fact is present, you'll type yes, and if not, you will type no. So the first thing we're looking for is bubblegum is pink because the original color was gray, so they added red dye. I remember from an earlier question that I saw something in here about the color and the dye, so I'm going to come back up and maybe take a look around. I don't see it in the composition, so maybe I'll try the history, and here it is. Bubblegum got its distinctive pink color because the original recipe was a dingy gray color. All right, so I see that it is in the Wikipedia article, so I'm going to say yes. Next, I'm going to go to World Book Online, and I'm going to look for, should be here. I'm going to look for that color pink. I'm going to kind of search around, see if I see anything. How gum is made is a really great way to look for that, but I don't see it. All right, I didn't see it, but I'm also going to double check by hitting Control F and searching for the word pink. And this will show me if that word pink shows up on the page somewhere. And since it says 00, I know it doesn't. So since there's no information, I will say no. And then I'm going to go over to ThoughtCo and again skim for the word pink. So I see blow big pink bubbles. That's not quite it for me. I'm really just describing, but I want to know why they made it pink. So, I see a section called Why Pink. Dahmer used a pink dye for his new gum because pink was the only color available. It's kind of matching facts. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and say yes, because it does kind of talk about pink being in there. So you're going to go through for each of these facts and look for them. You can use that Control F to open a search box and search on each of your each of the articles if you would like to give that shortcut a try. But pay attention. Just because you don't see it doesn't necessarily mean it's not there. Search hard. Use Control F if you need to.